Hi all. Now we are going to solve another question. Let's check the question first. So granola mix P is made of dried fruit and grains in the ratio of 3 is to 7. Okay, by weight. From granola mix another one that is Q, which is made of dried fruit and grains in the ratio 5 is to 11 by weight. And equal weights of mixes P and Q are thoroughly combined. Okay, to produce a new mix called the R. So we have to find what fraction of the weight of mix R is dried fruit. Okay. So how will you find that? First, let's check the given details, right? What is given here for mix P, right? So for mix P, what is the ratio given? 3 is to 7, right? And for mix Q, is given as 5 is to 11, right? So now let's find the fraction of dried fruit. Okay, let's find it for P first. How will you find the fraction? That is 3 by 3 plus 7. Alright, which is 3 by 10. Okay, and for mix Q also we'll do the same. That will be 5 by 5 plus 11, which is equal to 5 by 60, right? So, since equal weights of mixes P and Q are combined, let's assume 1 kg of each mix. Okay. So, dried fruit in 1 kg of mix P will be 3 by 10 kg. Right. So, if we are taking 1 kg, so for mix P, okay, that will be 3 by 10 kg. Right. And for mix Q, that will be 5 by 16 kg. Okay. So what is the total dry fruit? You can add these two, right? That will be, so the total will be 3 by 10 plus 5 by 16, right? So that is equal to, let's take the LCM. So 24 by 80 plus 25 by 80, which will give you 49 by 8 per kg, right? Okay, this is the ratio we got. So the total weight of the new mix will be 1 kg of each, right? So that will be 2 kg, right? So total weight is equal to 2 kg, right? So the fraction of dried fruit in the mix R will be, mix R is equal to 49 by 80 by 2. This will give you 49 by 160, right? Which is option D. I hope it is clear for you. See you in the next video.